Check out that glove I redid, huh? You like that? You like that? I know you did. All right, these are here. These things, they have clips. One goes here and one goes here. Someone already broke them. Before I bought it, this is used. Okay, this here goes right here. I undid that. And then you can scooch, with these broken off, which they shouldn't be, but they are. You can scooch this way over. And then these are for the spark plugs. If you pop them off, this piece comes off. It's just hooked on by this, and then a little piece all the way down there. That right there slides on that. You pull that off, that gives you a bunch of room. Now some people took off the dipstick. I didn't. I just left it in there. But anyhow, it sits down right down in there, and this is what's around it. Now, thing is, I broke this getting it off, but I'm not going to buy a new one. I think it'll sit in there just fine. The old one's sitting there tight. The deal is that it's got to be ratcheted. You got to ratchet that out of there. And people online said different sizes. I ended up having to use a 13/16 to get it out. But people were talking about 19 millimeter. Mine didn't fit. I'm going to try another one and see. But I just ordered it from Amazon, and I'm supposed to get it in a couple days, and I will put it in, and maybe I'll videotape putting it in, see how fun that is. But that's that. All the different things I popped off. Like I said, move these two out of the, take that off first. The cover covers the whole thing. Move these two out of the way. Try not to break them. Like I said, they were already broke, but I moved them. Took these off. There's 3 of them. Took them off so I could drop this whole thing out of the way. Get that out of the way. So I can get to this, because it's all connected together in the same. So I get to that because it's connected, and that's what this is connected to, and this is what you're changing. So, and it's down in there. We got it. All right.